Girl, you're so hot like summer. You're everything I ever wanted. You give me feels that you do. No one can do it like you.
Hi everyone! Today I would like to share a few things on a topic I often get asked, and it's what to wear for a first date. Many of us will be going back to dating after the lockdown, and I think this is a very relevant topic for both men and women. So, what are the key principles to create an impactful look for a first date? From a stylist perspective, I would always start with understanding your style personality and thinking what sort of image I want to portray on my date. So start with asking yourself, are you a modern, creative, or a classic type of person? And then from there are certain styling tricks which you can use to reflect that with your look. For example, you can opt for a sleek, minimalist look if you want to look more modern, or you can choose intricate prints and patterns or interesting color combinations if you want to look more creative. So it's all about creating the right first impression to reflect truly who you are. Another important factor to consider when you dress for your first date is your body shape and complexion. Working with your strengths and accentuating the best parts in you is really important. So I would advise towards opting for the perfect fit, whether this is a dress, jacket, or jeans. Avoid too loose or too oversized clothing, as well as too tight pieces, and just opt for that one piece which fits immaculate. In terms of colors, opt for the best shades to flatter your complexion. If you're wearing a color which works with your skin tone and hair, that can really brighten up your face and make you shine. A really important aspect is the venue, so I would always advise my clients to coordinate your outfit with the environment for the date. Always check the venue online before the date and pick your outfit accordingly. So for a dressy dinner, I would advise towards intricate fabrics and smart cut, while if you're going for a casual date, said it's a lunch or a walk in the park, I would advise towards really well fitted staple clothes with an accent on your accessory, which could be interesting scarf, pair of shoes, or a bag. And finally, I would like to mention a few don'ts when you're dressing for a first date. So I would avoid being overdressed because that could look like you're trying too hard. For the ladies, I wouldn't suggest showing too much skin or too much muscle for men. So to me, the best outfit for a first date is a smart casual mix and match, or a minimalist look with a tasteful color accent, so you don't look too overdressed or too underdressed, and this will give you the right balance to look effortlessly elegant. I would avoid any extremes like overly trendy outfit or too much makeup. Just keep your look natural and minimal. Focus on the good fit, the quality fabrics and interesting accessories, and make sure you're comfortable, because if you're not comfortable you wouldn't feel confident. If you're interested to book one-to-one styling consultation with myself, you can do it on my website, and you will find more details in the description of this video. In a nutshell, the best outfit for a first date is something which will make you feel confident and will bring originality to your style. Of course, being comfortable is really important. That's a must. But comfortable on its own, it's not enough to make an impactful impression. So I would definitely advise towards opting for something original and authentic to show some personality on your first date. If you enjoyed watching this video, please make sure to like, subscribe and share for future videos. Also, if you know someone who is going back to dating and might benefit from this video, make sure to share it and spread the styling knowledge.